Hey guys, it's Melanie, and let's start off by saying obviously something different. Well, actually maybe I shouldn't say obvious because a lot of people haven't noticed, but I dyed my hair, so let's just get that out of the picture. A little lighter, just a little something different, you know. But today I'm coming at you with a haul, and yeah, I don't know, I don't even know how to start this off. There's been, I don't know, this is just like a collection of a bunch of stuff that I've been picking up recently. Actually, I shouldn't say recently because this is stuff I've been buying over the past year. I don't even know. I've been this is very collective. If you want to see how I style a lot of these things, you should follow me on my Instagram, and I'll have all my links and stuff here and down below. I have a fashion account, and I'm gonna start, I swear, I'm gonna start being active on that because I'm gonna start dressing cute because I'm over my sweatpants phase, I promise. So let's get straight into it. This is the bag. Obviously I haven't unpackaged it yet, so I'm looking at it for the first time right now. This is sold on Amazon and the brand is Cadell, I believe. Cadell? I think it's Cadell. I'll have all the links and stuff below if you are interested. But yeah, let's take a look at this. Wow, okay. Ooh, this is cute. Here's what the purse looks like. Ooh, I really like it. It's this gray tone, which I'm really excited for because I don't have a gray tone purse, and this is pretty big. I wonder if I could fit like school notebooks or something in here because, you know, I always wanted to be that girl who carries a cute purse around school, but but I really like this. It's a really good size. It's pretty big, so I could fit a lot of solid stuff in here. It feels like really great quality, and I'm really excited to start using this. If you guys are interested in a what's in my purse or something, sorry, I'm taking out the weird packaged whatever it's called in here. So much space in here. Okay, I'm so excited to use this. If you guys want to see a what's in my purse or something like that coming up, let me know. I will definitely do it. Be sure to check out this bag. I will be sure to update you, and if you want to see how I styled this, follow my Instagram, okay? I need to stop self-promoting. Okay, on to the next thing. I actually got one other purse. The other purse I bought when I went to Oregon because I was like, no tax, plus it was on sale, so then I was like, well, I mean, I have to. This was before I got the other purse, so they kind of look similar. But this is a Kate Spade purse. It's just a little bit smaller than the Cadell one, and it has a little tassel here, and it's kind of like a taupey shade. I really like this tone because I was like, I want something a little outside of my comfort zone, like a little pop of color. So I picked this up, and yeah, I really like this. If you want to see a what's in my purse with this too, I mean, I can do 2 what's in my purse videos, you know? On to clothing items. I'm going to start off with Paxson. They were having a really good sale. I think it was 20% off. I think it was 20% off. It was really big, and it also included Brandy, so I was like, I'm going there. Got 2 pairs of jeans because I think it was buy one get one 50% off. So this is what they both look like. This is a really light wash gray pair, and then it just has some distressing around the knees. And I love Paxson jeans. They just fit me so well because, I don't know, they're stretchy, and I can eat a lot in them and not like pop the button or whatever. And then I got these because I was feeling a little risque. Mega ripped because I was like, I want some super ripped jeans, so I went over to Paxson and I got these. I feel very Scandi wearing these. Hope I don't get dress coded, but yeah, these are just super ripped, and they're like a medium darkish wash. I got 2 things from Brandy, crew neck, and it just has the little bear on it, and I don't know what's wrong with me because Brandy stuff is literally so plain but so expensive, but something about it just called to me. I really like this color. I think this is one of my favorite colors. It's like a baby blue periwinkle almost. I don't know. I just really like it. It matches my new pop socket, so I can be I can match, you know? That's basically what I was going for. And I also got this jacket, which I would try resisting buying this for so long, but I don't know. It just calls to me. I really like this tone of blue, and it's I just feel like it's really good material, and I don't know, I really like it, okay? Oh, I got 2 things from the actual Brandy Melville store because I live in Seattle, and they just didn't It's not super recent, but they opened a Brandy here, so I've been going there a little too much. I got 3 little jewelry thingies. They're all earrings. This is just a basic like pair of hoops, so I'm not really going to show you guys that because that's boring. These 2 pairs are a little fancy. They're like hoops with a twist. I don't know. This one has little crosses on it, like dang. And then these ones have little stars on them. Like, look how, wow, it's just so dainty and like, I don't know. And I've been loving jewelry and like accessories and stuff, so I'm really excited for those. I got this zip up because Brandy like material, I can't even explain, it's so soft. Literally have the most basic stuff, but I just dig it, okay? So I saw these, they've been around for a really long time, but I finally decided to get them, and honestly, it's the biggest non-regret. That didn't even make sense. They're like really comfy, but then you can also like look cute in them, so I was like, awesome. I'm gonna go to Hollister. I don't know, I'm speaking an accent, but I got 2 things from Hollister, both pants because that's pretty much all I get from there. I got a pair of white jeans like this. They have rips in them and they're high-waisted. And then I got this pair of jeans, which I love these. These are boyfriend jeans, and these are like the best pair I've ever found. They're just freaking awesome, okay? I got these 2 tops when I went thrifting the other day. Just says Washington Outfitters? Yeah, and both of these tops are actually brand new, so they have like the new tag on them, and then they have another tag on them, but yeah, so I was like, cool, like basically new. So originally $20 and I got it for like $4. Actually, I got this one for like $1 because green tags are on sale. I just love like plain shirts that have like something on the pocket and then they have something on the back. I don't know, something about it just like, I really dig it, you know? One thing left, which is just this plain gray hoodie, and I literally bought this from Amazon, and sad story, I bought this and then I lost it the first day I wore it. Somehow, I don't know how you lose a freaking hoodie, but I lost it, and so then I had to rebuy it, but it's okay because it was like $12, so I mean, it's not that bad. But this is literally a plain Hanes hoodie. Ooh, from Macy's, I just got 2 Champion items. This top, and it's just plain white, and it says Champion vertically, and I don't know, I just thought it was a little like unique because it's vertical, and I was just like, wow. Size medium, so it's literally huge on me, but I just use clothespins and then it's call it good, you know, it's fine. You know how I like said that was my last item? Like, that was a lie. Well, that was my last of that stuff, but I still have like a whole fat bunch of stuff from FOREVER21 because you know me, I shop at FOREVER21 way too much. Okay, so on to the mega FOREVER21. Basically, this is a separate haul just for FOREVER21 because I suck. Okay, in Oregon, they were having crazy sales. I don't know why, but these were both like $1 literally, and these are just plain little turtlenecks, and then this looks wacky, but it has a cutout in the shoulder. I got the same one in this color. I'm colorblind. This is just like a burgundy v-neck, and it's just like the perfect length, and it's like that waffle knit material. This was also like literally $1. Basically everything I got from FOREVER21 this day was $1, and I was just like, wow. I also got these 2 baseball tees, waffle, like, I don't even know if that's what the material is called, but I'm calling it a waffle knit. Them both in smalls, and yeah, like, these are nice casual wearing things. I can wear these when I'm lazy because they're super soft, and I was so excited for this. This was $2 for a freaking nice sweater. You can't tell, but it's just a plain v-neck. And it literally, I swear on my life, it's exactly the same as the v-necks from Brandy Melville. And this was $2. On a different day, I got this plain white cardigan that I already stained. I think I got sriracha on it. It's a little embarrassing, but it's okay because it's on the inside of a sleeve, so you can't really see it. I got this pink romper? Yeah, this is a romper. I'm so confused. There's so many strings. Really soft, nice material, and it was like $14, which I thought was pretty good, so I was like, yeah, I'll just do it. These rings, because I don't know, I've just been loving ring sets lately. This necklace, which was literally $2, and it's just a plain little jewel thingy. It was like also on crazy sale. I don't know why. It was like clearance, and then Forever 21 was like 50% off your clearance, and I was like, thank you. Like, you just made my day. This sweater I'm wearing right now, I really, really love it, and it kind of breaks my heart that sweater season is almost over because now I don't know where I'm going to wear this. But this is originally $20, and I got this for literally like $5, I think. I don't remember. It was either $2 or $5. That's kind of a difference. Same exact sweater in this pink color. It's the same exact thing. And then, okay, well, this isn't as interesting as I thought because I bought 3 of the same thing. Okay. I know I'm gonna wear these during this. These look huge. This may not work out. But I just got 3 pairs of these plain shorts because I always wear shorts to sleep no matter what season, even if it's snowing and freezing and I'm freaking cold, I have to wear shorts to sleep. So I just got a pair in black, green, and then white. These were all like, I think they were like $2 each. So, you know, steals, like steals. Very last thing, I'm not pranking you this time, was this set of rings, but it just has some little geometric shapes. Okay guys, so I no joke just talked for 30 minutes straight because I shop way too much. I think this is the last of my hauls pretty much forever. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see how I styled any of this, go follow my Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!